If you have been looking for a way on how you can get paid on TikTok, this video is for you. And before we go to the video, there are some certain issues that have been trending online that I need to address before we go to the video. And these things are on TikTok. You will be seeing some video where they will be telling you to share a video to your contact or to your email address. After sharing that, TikTok will pay you. All those things together, they are only looking for a way to be trading on TikTok. After sharing to your contact or to your email address, TikTok will not pay you. If you want TikTok to pay you, you need to follow the procedure that I'm about to share with you so that TikTok will start to pay you. There are two certain things that you need to reach before you can get paid on TikTok. And these two things, I'm going to share it with you in the process. And after achieving those two steps, I'm still going to share with you on how you can apply so that once you achieve those two steps, you will apply for it so that TikTok will start to pay you. So before we go to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button at the bottom there and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. So without wasting time, let me walk you through the procedure.
Before you can set up the process on how TikTok can pay you, you can see from here that I have two TikTok apps on my phone here. So you can see the first one here, TikTok Lite, while the other one is just ordinary TikTok. For you to set up the process, you must use this TikTok on, not TikTok Lite. You use just ordinary TikTok app. So you log in with TikTok app. With TikTok Lite, you cannot use it to set it up. So you must make sure that you get this particular one where this arrow is pointing to, not this one, but this one here. So I will touch it to log in to my TikTok account. You can see it here. So from here like this now, all you have to do is to go to your profile, and this way you can locate your profile. The arrow is pointing to, you touch it. Once you touch it, it will direct you to your profile. So let me touch it to go to my profile from here. So from here now, the next thing you are going to do is to come here, this three line at the top here. So you touch it. Once you touch it, it will direct you to the next menu like this. So from here you go to creator tools. You can see it here. You touch it, a new menu like this will open to you. After you have touched it, a new menu like this will open up to you. Then what you are going to do from here is that you will go to live center to do some setup here where the arrow is pointing to. So you touch it, which is the live center. So you touch it for you to apply. And before you will touch it, you must make sure that you have up to 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. So I will touch it from here. So after you have touched it, it will load, and after loading, menu like this will open up to you. And here now, I've already applied for it. But if you have not applied for it for the first time, you will see apply under. And the age, all you have to do is to touch the apply. But right now here on this my account, you cannot see the apply here. But you that have not applied at all, you will see it there. So from here now, all you have to do after you have applied for it, you touch on this option here, which is to go back once. You touch it from here. Then from there, what you are going to, the next option to set up is you go to this option here, which is video gift. You click on the video gift where the arrow is pointing to. Then after you have touched it, all you have to do is to make sure that you turn on this phrase to change to green or blue. So you touch it. After you have touched it, the next thing you're going to do is to touch on this phrase here to go back to the next option. Then for those of you who have come across some video on TikTok where they will be telling you share a video, like a video, comment on a video before TikTok can pay you. For those of you that come across those videos online. The next option I'm going to show you now, this is where those people produce or create that video from, attaching some music in the background of the video, so that after you have liked the video or drop your comment, even share it to your mail address, then they say that the video that upload the video will be the one that TikTok are going to pay, not you that like the video or share it to your email address or to your contact that TikTok are going to pay. They will not pay you. They will only pay the owners of that video. So for you to create your video like that, when people will like it and share it, even drop their comment on the comment section on that your video, and TikTok will be paying you, this is where you will go to. So you need to add music. You need to work with some artists. When some music come online on TikTok, before the music will trend, if you set the music into your video background, by the time when the video will be trending, the more likes, the more comments, the more share that you gain will determine the amount that TikTok are going to pay you from here. So where the arrow is pointing to is where you are going to touch. So let me touch it from here. Work with artist. So you wait for a minute for it to open. Then you can see here on my screen, work with artist. Then from here now, you want to set this music into the background of your video, and you gain the highest like and the highest share and the comment, then TikTok will pay you $35 for this music and also pay you for $50. Then once you scroll it down, you will see more of the music. Not only that one, you will see more. There are many thousands of music that you will see there. You can see this one here. TikTok will be paying $35 and also pay $50. Then if you want to use this music like this now, all you have to do is to click on this submit. Then from there you record your video, then you set the music in the background of your video. You take it down, you will see different amount each of the music. You can see this one here, Notice Me, Gucci. Then you see the reward, mass reward, $300. Then you see this one here, $50 for most inspiration. So you can see it here. The more likes and the more likes, the more comments and the more share that you gain will be the total number of amount that they are going to pay you from this auction. So once you scroll it down, you will see many music that you can use to do, that you can add into your video, for those music to be playing. And the more that they like the video or they share or they commented will be the total amount that they are going to pay you. So after that, you come to this auction here. You touch on this back auction here. Once you touch it, it will take you to the next auction where you can go live. And this live here is where you will have up to 10,000 followers. 10,000 followers, which is here. You must have up to 10,000 followers before you can activate this. You must have up to 10,000 followers. Why this one here, video gift, is 1,000 followers? Why this one here is 10,000 followers? So I will touch on this auction from here, which is live gift. This is where you will come online. You will come live on TikTok, and people will be watching you playing some game, maybe just on TikTok, and they are going to be paying you for that. And for you to go to online after you have touched it, then you touch on this place here, go live. Once you touch on this go live here, then you will, from there to go live, then you make your video. After making it, the total minute, like 30 minutes or 50 minutes that you stay online there, TikTok will pay you for that. So that is how you activate or set up your TikTok account for payment. For you that is not an affiliate marketer or marketing in TikTok. So you can, from there, after you have set it up, you go back to your main menu where you will see your profile.
Now you have watched it, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload video, you will be the first person to see it. And remember, give the video a top like, drop your comments and share it with your friend. Thank you.